Hello students. In the last video we have discussed some examples regarding to the area of segment, area of sector, and after that we have discussed how to find out the area of the figure if that figure is consisting combined figures. Combined figure means what? That figure may be having sector, maybe having segment, maybe having quadrilateral, different types of triangles are also there. Then how to use those figures and how to use their formulas, how to find out the area. That type of example in the last video we have seen one example. Okay, today also we are going to study like that examples only. Today also I am here with new examples. Here I have written one example, then you will come to know that after reading this example. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region in figure where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Now after looking this figure, some of you they may think like that, which is the shaded region? Okay, which is the shaded region? Look this figure, I will show you by using this black marks. The remaining portion excluding those circles, this is known as what? Shaded region. The remaining portion or remaining part which is remain after this, I have made here marks. Okay, this is nothing but what? Shaded region, and we have to find out area of that shaded region, by using this information only. What is the information given? Look over here, where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Means here ABCD, this quadrilateral is known as a square, and in that 4 circles are there. By using those 4 circles we are going to find out the area of the shaded region. Means the area which is remain after this circle, means after drawing those circles, after drawing those 4 circles, the area which is remain, that is nothing but the shaded region. Okay, then how to find out the area? After looking this figure, some of you they may got idea about it, how to find out the area. Here we have to find out area of square, then we have to find out area of those 4 circles, and we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? Area of circles from the area of square. The remaining will be the shaded region. Do you understand? Okay, then we will start now example. Look here, do you understand what I said? I will repeat once again. Here there is one square, we have to find out area of first of all square, then we have to find out area of circles, those 4 circles. Okay, and after subtracting area of those circles from that square, area of square, then we will get the area of shaded region that we want to find out. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. This figure is given where ABCD is the square of side 14 centimeter. Now observe this figure carefully, you will come to know that the side of this square is 14 centimeter, means we can easily find the area of square. But for finding the area of those circles, here important thing is that radius of those circles is not given. Radius of those circles is not given. Then what should we do? Look this figure carefully, I will show you what to do. Those 4 circles are having same radius. Okay, here this circle touches here, then after touches over here, means the side of the square is nothing but diameter of the 2 circles. Okay, means suppose we want to find out diameter of the one circle, then what we have to do? We have to divide the side of the square, by 2, then we will get diameter of one circle. And when we will divide that diameter by 2, that time we will get radius of the one circle. And when we will get radius of the one circle, we can find area of that respective circle, and when we will multiply by 4, then we will get area of 4 circles. Do you understand what I said? Then first of all what we will do? We will find out the area of this square. I will start, listen and try to understand. This figure is already given with this example. Solution given. Okay, what is given? ABCD is the square of side 14 centimeter. Side of square ABCD is equal to what? 14 centimeter. Side of square ABCD is equal to 14 centimeter. Then we can find easily area of this square. Therefore, area of स्क्वेयर ABCD, ऐसा लिखो जो भी चलता है, इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, साइड इंटू साइड. Am I right? Area of square ABCD is equal to what? Side into side. Okay. Therefore, area of square ABCD is equal to what is side? 14 into next side. Next means same side we are going to continue. 14 into 14. Area of quadrilateral, or we can say square ABCD, is equal to 14 into 14. We have to do here 14 square, and you know that very well. 14 square is what? 196 centimeter. Means we got here area of this square is 196 centimeter square. Got it up to this step. Now what we are going to do? We will find out the area of one circle. How we are going to find out? As I told you, when we are observing this point and this last point, then the diameter of those two circle is nothing but side of square. Okay, means when we want to find out diameter of one circle, then we have to divide this side by 2, side of square by 2, then we will get diameter of one circle, and when we will divide that diameter by 2, then we will get radius of the one circle, and by using that radius we are going to find out the what? Area of circle. Now listen here what I said, that I will show you. Now diameter of circle is equal to, okay, what is diameter of the circle? Means what I said, side of the square, that is 14 divided by 2 centimeter. Do you understand what I said? Diameter of one circle. Okay, what will happen? Half of the side of the square, that is equal to what we will get? 7 centimeter. Means diameter of circle is equal to what? 7 centimeter. Then radius of circle is equal to 7 divided by 2. Do you understand? 7 divided by 2. Okay, we got here radius. We can write here 3.5 also, that is also correct, no problem at all. But suppose you want to write like that only, 7 upon 2, that is also correct. Okay, now we will find out the area of circle. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, then area of circle is equal to, okay, now here we will use, what is the value of pi? The value of pi is given here 22 upon 7. R we got here 7 upon 2. We will put those values. 22 upon 7 into r square. What is r? 7 upon 2 bracket square. Area of circle is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 1 7 will get cancelled. Okay, then what will remain? Area of circle is equal to 1 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 7 divided by, okay, 2 into 2. Understood what I did? Divided by 2 into 2. Now what we will do? We will divide to 22 also, and then we will get what we will get answer. See here and try to understand. Look here, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, means 11 into 7 divided by 2. Therefore area of circle is equal to 11 into 7 divided by 2. Therefore area of circle is equal to 11 into 7, 77 divided by 2 centimeter square. Area of circle we got here 77 divided by 2 centimeter square. Okay, now what we will do? We will find out the area of those 4 circles, and for finding area of 4 circles, what we have to do? we have to multiply to this area of circle by 4. Now area of 4 circles, area of 4 circles is equal to 4 into 77 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 77. Understood? देखो इधर 2 into 77 and 2 into 77, that is nothing but what, 154 centimeter square. Means we got here area of those 4 circles is equal to what, 154 centimeter square. Now we want to find out here area of the shaded region. For that purpose what we will do, now we will subtract this area of those 4 circles. We will subtract those area of 4 circles from area of square, then the remaining area will be the area of the shaded region. Okay, now area of shaded region is equal to, what I said, area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of square minus area of 4 circles. Okay, that is equal to area of square. What is area of square? Look here, area of quadrilateral or area of square ABCD is equal to 196. Okay, minus 154, that is equal to 196 minus 154. What is answer? Look here, 42 centimeter square. After subtraction you will get here 42 centimeter square. This is the area of that respective shaded region. This is one example. Like that one again example we will discuss now. Look here, I have written here already. Read this example carefully, you will come to know that what we are going to do here. After observing figure, you will come to know that here. Find the area of the shaded design. Here I have shown by using black lines. This is the shaded design. Find the area of the shaded design in figure where ABCD is a square. Where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. Of side what? 10 centimeter. And semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. And semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Do you understand what is the question? Try to understand here. Find the area of the shaded design. We are going to find out area of the shaded design. Okay, area of the shaded design in the figure where ABCD is a square. This quadrilateral is known as what? Square. Of side 10 centimeter. The side of this quadrilateral or this square is 10 centimeter. And semicircles are drawn with each side of the square. Okay, now those semicircles are drawn over here. Now look this figure, you will come to know that this is one semicircle, this is one semicircle, this is one semicircle, this is one semicircle. Those semicircles are drawn with each side of the square by using each side of the square. Look here, each side of the square as diameter. By using each side of the square as diameter means what? The radius of this semicircle is already given, that is hidden in this information. How hidden in this information? Look this, read here. Semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Means this semicircle is drawn by using diameter this DC or diameter this CD. Means what is the length of this CD? That is nothing but the diameter of the semicircle. Do you understand? Okay, means by using those 4 sides of the square, those semicircles are drawn, and those 4 sides are nothing but diameter of those semicircles. Diameter of those semicircles. And suppose we want to find out radius of that respective semicircle, then what we have to do? We have to take half of the side of the square, then that will be the radius of that respective semicircle. Do you understand? Okay, now what we are going to do, try to understand. Find the area of the shaded design in the figure we are going to find out area of this shaded design. For that purpose, I have mentioned the remaining parts. Here, this white portion you are looking, this I have considered here 1, 2, 3 and 4. After considering those 1, 2, 3, 4, means here also what we are going to do, here we are going to find out first of all area of this square, and we will subtract area of those 4 regions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then whatever remain area will be there, that is nothing but area of that respective shaded region. Okay. Then for that purpose, what should we do? First of all, we have to find out area of square, and after finding area of square, we have to find out area of those 4 white portions, okay, which is not marked. We have to find out area of those white portion. We have to subtract it from area of square. We will get this design or the shaded region. Okay. Then first of all, what we will do? Look here. I am going to start this example. Solution given. What is given? Find the area of the shaded region in the figure ABCD. Side of square is equal to 10 centimeter. Side of square is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Side of square is nothing but diameter of semicircle. That is diameter of semicircle. That is equal to what? Same 10 centimeter. Okay, that is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Now, radius of semicircle, that is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to what you will get? 5 centimeter. Do you understand? We will get here 5 centimeter. Now what we will do? We will find out first of all, अभी क्या करेंगे देखो इधर, we will find out first of all area of those 4 regions. For finding the area of those 4 regions, what we have to do? Look here. First of all, we have to find out area of this square. After finding area of this square, what we will do? We will find out area of this semicircle. Then we will find out area of this semicircle. We will add those area, and after adding those area, we will subtract from area of square. Then we will get automatically this first and third portion. After that, what we will do? Similarly, we will find out the area of this second and fourth portion. And after getting those 1, 2, 3, 4 regions, area, those areas we will add to each other and we will subtract from the square. Then automatically we will get this design. Do you understand? Okay, like that we will start now. Look here. Now, area of square is equal to, as you know that, side into side. Area of square is equal to, what is side? Area of what is side of this square? 10 into 10. Then area of square is equal to what? 100 centimeter square. Understood? 10 into 10 कितने हो गए? 100. Okay. Now, area of which portions? Look here. Area of first and third. First and third portion is equal to, what we have to do? Area of square minus area of, okay, area of, how many semicircles are there? Area of 2 semicircles. Do you understand? Okay, area of 2 semicircles. I will write here area of 2 semicircles. Area of those 2 semicircles. Okay, area of square we already got 100 minus 2 semicircles are there, 2 into area of semicircle is there, pi r square, that is the formula of area of full circle. तो हाफ इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. समझ में आ रहा है मैंने क्या लिखा? देखो इधर, area of square we got as it is minus 2. Why 2 is written? Because how many semicircles are here? 2 semicircles are there. Do you understand? 2 semicircles are there. Into half, why written? Because semicircle is half of the total circle and pi r square is the area of total circle. Okay, do you understand what will happen here? Okay, then now we will find out this area. What we will get? See, you will come to know that. I will start. Look here, area of first and third portion is equal to 100 minus, here what will happen? Look here, here this 2 will get cancelled, then pi r square will remain only. Okay, pi r square that is equal to 100 minus pi की वैल्यू हमने क्या बताई? ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ पाई? Here in the figure, means with this example only, value of pi is given already. 3.14 is the value of pi is here given. Okay, if not given, then we have to consider 22/7. In the previous example it was given 22/7. Now here 3.14 is given. That value we will use here. 3.14 into, okay, 3.14 into radius of semicircle we got here 5 centimeter. Means what we will do here, 5 square 100 minus 3.14 into 5 square, what? 25. 100 minus, after multiplication what you will get? See here, after multiplication here we will get 78.5. 78.5. Then answer will be 100 minus 78.5, that is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. Do you understand what I got? Now I got area of first and third portion. Similarly, I have to find out area of second and fourth portion. Similarly, area of second and fourth portion. Second and fourth portion is equal to also same 21.5 centimeter square. Do you understand? It will be same. Now we got here area of first and third, second and fourth. Area of first, second, third, fourth we got here. Now what we will do? We will subtract those area of 4 regions or 4 portions, first, second, third and fourth portion, from this area of square. Then that will be, then remaining area will be area of this shaded design. Do you understand? Okay, now area of shaded design is equal to area of square minus, okay, I will write in the bracket, area of first, second, third and fourth portion. Fourth portion. Do you understand what is done? Okay. Area of square. What is area of square? We got here already. Area of square 100. 100 minus in the bracket. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. First and third area 21.5, second and fourth 21.5, means 2 times 21.5. Okay, 100 minus 2 into 21.5. 100 minus 2 into 21.5. What will be the answer? 43. 100 minus 43, we will get here answer 57 centimeter square. Means area of this shaded design is equal to what? 57 centimeter square. I hope so you got idea about those examples. Like that examples are there in your textbook, in your exercise also. You try to solve those examples. Okay, and whenever you are trying your level best, 100% I am sure about it, you will get answer of that respective question. Remaining examples will continue in the next video. Thank you.